What is Kuala Lumpur known for? Beautiful temples, vibrant markets, oh yeah, and some very impressive skyscrapers. Like all global cities, Kuala Lumpur used these engineering marvels as a symbol of its skyrocketing economy. Taller, hotter, and faster. Near the renowned Petronas Tower, the city's new landmark rises with the city's new target. I'm traveling around the world to visit a league of ambitious new engineering wonders and find out the extraordinary building challenges and the intelligence given to those giants.
Well, I'm so excited.
Emerging from a small tin mining town 200 years ago to become the capital of one of the world's fastest growing economies in the 1980s and 90s, Kuala Lumpur is evolving again. Now Malaysia's goal is to become a high-income nation and a fully developed country by 2025, 5 years earlier than previously planned. That involves building the country's first international finance center, one that it hopes could rival London, Hong Kong, and Singapore.
TRX helps to transform Kuala Lumpur into a global city, helps to improve the city infrastructure, and created a new and vibrant district in the city center.
Meet the Tan Resort Exchange, or TRX. Think of it as a city within a city. They're looking for the biggest names in banking to get them to set up headquarters here. Building an iconic tower is also a part of the plan.
The Exchange 106 was designed to be an iconic landmark standing at an impressive height of over 1,600 feet. It's around 492 meters.
建的过程当中是马来西亚第一高楼，楼越高，它的荷载就越大，所以你的桩要打得很深。
Engineers need to sink foundation piles into the ground, capping them with a massive thick concrete raft to support the tower. Above ground, workers will cast a central core with an innovative mechanized mode, which allows the giant to be finished in a record-breaking 3 years. Though without a spire like Petronas Towers, Exchange 106 is topped with a 54-meter high crown, immediately recognizable in the city's skyline. Its success is based on the math foundation.
16000立方米一次打完的，我们用了72个小时把这个做完了。这个在马来西亚也是交出方量最大的一次，到现在也没有人打破。
The workers get ready to cast the tower's huge vertical core, but as they at each floor level, they'll be confined by the lack of space up top.
因为吉隆坡它很发达，各种会展、各种购物政要，每天其实都在你不停地在你周围跑，就会对你的交通物流组织就会有很大的影响。这个也是我们当时做的时候一个比较难克服的一个困难。对。
The team needs an innovative solution to turbocharge their race to the roof. Traditionally, to cast a core level, workers construct a wooden panel mold and pour concrete into it. Then they remove the panels, build new scaffolding, and lift the molds back up. For a building this tall, that would take years too long. Instead, steel reels attached to the core enable a large, movable platform to carry and climb with the mold sections. Workers lock the mold panels during concrete pouring and release them after setting. Hydraulic systems can elevate the platform and repeat upward transport.
第一天是钢筋，第二天就是模板合模，第三天我们就浇筑混凝土了。我们用3天的时间做完一个 cycle。
I came to Shenzhen, where the same team is building another giant with same system.
我们现在这位置有多高？
50层250多米。
爬的话是利用这个导轨。首先我们准备工作的话就是先提升导轨。
Those steel panels form the mold for the concrete, and workers need to first remove them to open up the space for climbing. They install the anchor shoes at the target position and pull up the climbing reel by the hydraulic system until it locks in position. Just like when climber hammer spikes into the cracks of rocks, which they then clip their rope into.
把那个挂座挂在结构上，再利用这个液压平台把这个导轨给顶升上去，整个外爬架就跟着这个导轨一起就爬上去了。
The climb begins now. The entire platform creeps up with just inches to spare.
顶一层时间大概在2个小时左右。
They need to watch out for any section of platform or formwork that might catch on the newly formed concrete walls. Eventually, the platform stops. This innovative system pays off, and the climb is a success. But the massive formwork is not the only star of the project. The tower cranes, essential for any high-rise, are the lifeblood of the building, getting the material up to the highest parts. Fed by the busy cranes, the skyscraper soars upwards. One challenge is raising the tower cranes fast enough so the cord can go up quicker.
在核心筒的外侧附着塔吊，单独爬升的，它不是跟着顶升平台一起爬升的。
That means if the cranes stay fixed in place, they'll block the tower from rising any farther.
通常我们会用 Revit 做一个模拟，就是把我们的塔吊爬模进行钢铸，一层一层，一个节点一个节点放进去，把每一个时间节点的相对高度和相对关系，都放在里面，不能出错。这个一旦出了错，你干到那一层时你就全停下来了。
The engineer's solution is to let those giant cranes jump. First, engineers install a new bracket higher up the tower. 2 huge tons will firmly hold the crane's body, and hydraulic press raises the crane up. They position the crane on top of the climbing post so that hydraulic ram can retract to repeat this process and then push up again. With those innovative technologies, Kuala Lumpur's new landmark soars to the sky at astonishing speed.
The Exchange 106 incorporates sustainable design principle and practice. The commitment to sustainability aligns with the overall vision of the Tourism Exchange development.
那么它建成之后，就是银行类商业的一个中转一个枢纽，更有利于马来西亚吉隆坡在于东南亚地区的这种金融的核心的一个发展。